Hey there, everybody. We're in the middle of potting stuff up over in the hoop house, which you can see behind me. Uh, but in doing the work with the plants, I noticed something really neat. And this is going to be a quick one because there's so much to do. I'll do a longer catch up video in, I don't know, tomorrow, maybe for next week. But for now, check this out. So, what we are looking at is a teeny tiny 90 barky. uh, Small nine bark, Physocarpus opulifolia. But when I was doing it, I noticed something had laid its eggs on this holdover leaf from last season's growth. And just to prevent as much shaky cam, I'm going to zoom back out. But um, this nine bark is maybe 8 or 10 inches long. It's about 6 inches from the tip of my middle finger to the center of my, or to the part where my thumb is able to fold over. And it's not a big plant, but something still found the leaves of it a suitable place for it to try and get a leg up for this year's progeny. And I think this is a beautiful thing, not just because I like the nine bark and not just because it's cool to see the wildlife using it, but it really does kind of impart that message of no action you take is too small for the wildlife in your area to notice and to begin using what it is that you're providing for them. So I'm going to go plant this out so that these, whatever they are, can come out into the world this year and maybe have further babies. We'll see. And so we're going to plant them out here in the top portion, the most uphill portion of the little divider berm near some of the echinaceas and rabbit tobaccos and things. I had a spice bush planted here 2 years ago, and I had hoped that it would really come back, but it hasn't. So we're gonna leave those roots to decay in the spot. We're gonna plant this little nine bark here, a little next to it, so that I can get another sun-catching shrub on this hill. So that's our project for this moment in between potting things up. We're letting some of the substrate kind of soak in the rainwater, and we'll get back to potting momentarily. So, till next time, thanks for watching. Happy planting.